Welcome back to Westech IT channel. So today we are going to talk about how to reset your Kali Linux machine password. Sometimes if you install the vmdk file, the password is not working. So that I'm freshly install vmdk file in VMware, but my password is not working. The Kali Linux website is default password is the Kali, username Kali, and the password is Kali, but it is not working. So how can I reset it? So it's simple way. First, you reboot your machine or restart your machine. Go to advanced option and press enter. Then you go the recovery mode and press E. Then you go to here. Change the arrow. Here is the arrow. So we change the RW. Then type init equal to b/bash space, then press F10. Now my prompt is show root@none. Then I type passwd root. You can change here your password, your new password. I have typed my new password. Then re-enter your new password. Then another command is execution exe c/sbin/ enter and press Ctrl D to continue. My username is root. My password is. Now I am successfully logging to my Kali Linux. Open my terminal. This is the latest Kali Linux. So it's very simple. Thank you for watching. Please share and like and comments.